Consumers can either rely on the claims made by a manufacturer, or they can rely on independent bodies going in and seeing what's happening in an operation. We've looked at the product, we've analysed the product, we've looked at test reports, engineering data, we've looked at their manufacturing processes and systems, we've looked at them installing on site, and we're independent. So, I mean, I don't have to give them certification, there's no obligation. And where I'm particularly involved is in the product certification, AS 1657 and Code Mark certification. So Code Mark is certification to the requirements of the Building Code of Australia and extends to the installation processes also. 5 ticks is that the product specifically complies with an Australian standard. So the Code Mark looks at clauses of the Building Code of Australia and says that it complies with those clauses. When you actually dig a bit deeper into those clauses say you shall comply with AS 1657. It's just a good quality product at the end of the day. It complies with the standards. From what I can tell, they were, market leaders in this area. So I've been into many manufacturing facilities and many organisations. They'd be in the top tier. Not necessarily, no. Look, management systems and compliance with management systems, it just comes down to good business practice. If you can imagine that you make a non-conforming product and you go and install it on site, and then someone else detects that there's a non-conformity, and then you have to go through the process of bringing it down and reinstalling. If you pick up the non-conformity at the factory, it doesn't even make it to site. So there's all those savings, not only in reputation, but in costs of taking a product down and then reinstalling a new one in its place.